Hi, I am Philip Cesar Labunog, a first-year college student taking up BSBHR, and I'm going to discuss about transformation and its examples. First, let us know what is transformation. Transformation is a general term for four specific ways to manipulate the shape and or position of point, a line or geometric figure. Also, transformation can be found in many fields of mathematics, such as geometry, algebra, calculus, and linear algebra, and translation can be found in any branch of science using mathematics. So what is the four types of transformation? The fourth type of transformation is categorized by two, and that is rigid transformation and non-rigid transformation. Rigid transformation are rotation, reflections, and contraction, while the non-rigid transformation are dilation or shear. So what is rigid transformation? Rigid transformation do not change the size or shape of the pre-image, while the non-rigid transformation can change the size or shape of pre-image in resulting image. Reflection. Every point is equidistant from a fixed line. This line is sometimes called the line of symmetry. In a reflection, the image is the same size as the pre-image. Rotation means turning around a center. The distance from the center to any point on the shape stays the same. Every point makes a circle around the center. In rotation, the pre-image and the image are the same size. Translation simply means moving in a translation. Every point of the shape must move the same distance in the same direction. In a translation, the size of the image is the same size as the pre-image. Dilation means resizing. When you resize a shape, it gets bigger or smaller. However, it still looks similar. That is, all angles are the same in size of proportion. In a dilation, the size of the image and pre-image are different. A dilation is called compression, enlargement, or contraction.
Let's do an example on the performing translations exercise. Use the translate tool to find the image of triangle WIN for a translation of 6 units, positive 6 units, in the x direction, and negative 3 units in the y direction. All right, so we want to go positive 6 units in the x direction and negative 3 units in the y direction. All right, so I click on the translate tool, and I want to go positive 6 units in the x direction. So I could pick any point and go 6 to the right, and everything else is going to come with it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I did that part. I translated positive 6 units in the x direction and negative 3 units in the y direction. So everything needs to go down by 3. 1, 2, 3. And notice I focused on point N, and this is its image now, or the image of point N. This whole triangle is the image of this entire triangle, the triangle WIN after the transformation. But you see that every point shifted 6 to the right, and 3 down. This point over here, 6 to the right would take you, let's see, it's at 1.5 right now. Its x-coordinate is 1.5. Its new x-coordinate is 7.5. So its x-coordinate increased by 6. And its old y-coordinate, or the original y-coordinate, was 6. And now in the image, the corresponding y-coordinate is 3. So we have shifted it down 3. So we see that that's happened to every point here. And we're done.